loves, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to our lovely space. It's a Sunday and your girl is dressed. Ignore the mic, focus on the drip. I don't think these earrings are right. We want to switch them to this resting ones. So yes, we're all dressed for church, ready to go out any minute now. Everyone is downstairs. I'm the only one upstairs still doing shenanigans. I'm taking some extra clothing and shoes along because after the service we are heading to someone's house. I'm just trying to get comfortable after the service. Anyway, change of clothes, change of shoes. These are the shoes I'm putting on today. I have this boo-boo on from Shein. This overall as well is from Shein. It's so lovely, so breezy, and it hides the fact that I'm wearing a sleeveless. But anyway, we are ready to go. Today's video is uploaded. I'm ready to go for 1 o'clock. So yes, everything is looking good because after the service I'm gonna be offline and enjoying the life of my head. All right, you guys, so I will catch up with you in the course of the vlog. My husband is already driving out. Ooh, I forgot to show you. My bag is from Juelia. Juelia doesn't just do jewelry, you guys. They also do bag. Look at the silver and gold detailing on there. Anyway, you guys, I'm yapping enough. I need to go. Bye.
What the dog doing?
Guys, I just come back from church and tiredness. The tiredness that actually took me. She's not from here. She's a foreigner. I feel so tired. So at our church members' place, I just took the black veil off. I didn't even take proper pictures at church today because I don't know. It's just, and the weather is nice today. I don't know. Maybe because I didn't sleep well. I think that's probably one of the problems as well. I feel so constipated despite not eating any dinner. By the way, that box behind me is full of clothes that I'm about to take pictures of and put on my store. I have my mannequin here. So what I usually do is put the clothes on the mannequin and then take a picture and write a description. The description is the hardest part on Vinted because you have to sort of look for the right hashtags or keywords that will help your product to get. It's like uploading a video here on YouTube. I have this really lovely dress for a size 8, another flag centered. I'm just going to ignore them for now. Really nice, has some really nice ruffle details, and it has a slit all the way here. If we're that kind of person, you like that kind of cloth. Sometimes I use my camera, but I prefer to use my phone because it just saves me transferring the videos or the images to my phone once I've captured the image. And I also try to get like the best angle. I take a couple of pictures and that's it. I also try to capture as much detail on the garment as possible. It helps visualize and just help whoever is purchasing the item see it better. Another thing I noticed that people like to do is they like to know where the cloth actually came from. Some people will even ask you to take a picture of the label and let them see, like after you've uploaded the picture and all of that. So it's always advisable to take a picture of the label and upload that as well along with the image of the, because yeah, it just saves you all the back and forth of, oh, it's from New Look. This is New Look, by the way. Oh, it's from New Look, and yes, the item is actually from where it's actually from where I said it is from. Another thing I do is every item I take pictures of, I keep on a separate pile and I keep it around me for the next, I don't know, 3 to 4 days, because that's usually the height of when it is expected to get as much buzz. So as soon as the buzz dies down, I take it back into storage and I pick from the bottom of the pile. So yeah, some items sell up straight away. Some of them you have to take pictures of a couple of times before they sell. Anyway, you guys, this is the boring bit. I will catch up with you when I'm probably done and I'm ready to cook for the week. I don't even think I'm going to cook that much, but I'll see you guys in the course of the vlog.
So are you a parent here in the UK, and do you struggle with the UK curriculum? Have you tried to understand it, but you're still struggling to figure out how to help your child? You've sat down with them, you tried to educate them and carry on with what they've learned in class, but you find that one way or another they're still struggling with either comprehension or, you know, whatever it is at whatever stage. So from key stage 1 to key stage 3, there is a team of teachers that can go beyond the classroom and help prepare your child for that graduation day that they have been waiting for. This is why you need to reach out to Mirani's online tutorials. They will help your child build their confidence, master skills in comprehension, writing, spelling. So from the key stage 1 up until key stage 3, they have a team of dedicated teachers who are experienced and will help and guide your child along the way. More details about this can be found in the description box. So a couple of days later, it was time to finally tackle my dirty and messy dining area. This is a family space, and anytime it's just messy, it's not my favorite place to hang out in. Anyway, I got this steam mop from Feppo, and when I tell you guys that I could not wait to get my hands on it and actually try it out, because I think there was a couple of build up on the floor, because, you know, it's a kitchen area. I'm constantly cooking. The boys are also learning to start doing the dishes, so there's constantly water, mess, grime, and the boys sort out their own breakfast as well, so there's build up on the floors. And I took this mop and went over it a couple of times. I emptied the tank, and God, when I saw the mess at the bottom of this mop, I knew that this was going to be a new staple in my house, because I didn't believe that I was living with this much germ. Now, this mop head can easily be removed. It also comes with a replacement attachment that you can replace that with. And when I tell you guys that the difference on the floors was, you can see, I think I forgot to put it before, but the after was definitely something I want to continue to have in my house. Anyway, if you're interested in this mop, further details will be in the description box. Check them out, patronize them. I'm sure you would enjoy this item as I have. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I will see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, share, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.